Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix storage is full error after update in Samsung Galaxy A14. If you're using A14 and you have updated your phone, but now you're facing the issue that after update, you might see a pop-up error again and again when you try to install any app or when you try to take a photo, create a video, or download any file, you might see that storage is full. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go to settings here, scroll down and click on device care. Now once you are in device care, just click on storage, and here you will see your storage. You can get an analyze here that which of your phone is taking more space or taking more storage. So you can see my videos have 1.49 GB, my installation files have 1.164 MB, and here's the apps which are taking more space is 10.4 GB, and the system. You cannot delete system files, but you can delete all of these like videos, installation files, images, audio files, document, compressed files. You can also delete your apps you don't use, your unnecessary apps. You can delete them. As the other files, you can also delete them or just recycle bin. You can clear your recycle bin. So let's try this. The very first, start with recycle bin. Click on it. Click on these three dots and you can add it to your home. Or you can click on that, click on select all, and click on delete, and all your selection will be deleted. So once you have done, now you have to click on this installation files. Here you might see your downloaded apps or installation files. You can select and delete them all. Then go back, go to videos. Any videos, you can click on these three dots, click on select all, click on delete, and then click on this to move it into recycle bin. Once you're moved to recycle bin, go back, go to recycle bin, and delete them from here. Now here you will see unused apps. So your phone will suggest you your unused app you can delete, but you can also go back to main settings here, go to apps, and here you'll see all the installed apps on your phone. So you have to make sure that you don't try to uninstall any system app like this Android Auto, you'll verify Android Search, and any system app here. But you can delete your downloaded app. If you have download and installed any app, you can uninstall that, like this one. And there's a Chrome app, you can also try to delete this one. There's this app and this game, has social media apps, or if your any social media app is taking more space on your phone. So let me select here. Let's say I'm gonna select this one, my WhatsApp. It's let's suppose it's taking more space up to more than 1 GB, 2 GB. So you can select that, go to storage here, clear cache. Once I've cleared cache, I don't recommend to clear data, but you can also try to clear data here. So if you clear data, it will uninstall all your accounts from your app. So you might have to log into your app. So after re-login, you can easily use your app as well as usual. So using these methods, you can easily free up more storage space and get more storage space on your phone. Or I also recommend if your phone can support an SD card, so you have to get an SD card of almost 64 GB, and you can add them to your phone. You can move your files like photos and videos to that SD card, and you can use your phone only to install system files and app files. So your media files will be moved to your SD card, so you will get more help to manage your storage. So in this way, you can easily get storage in your Samsung Galaxy A14. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.